Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we'll continue where we stopped in the previous one. So in here I already show you how to display the data using Postman. So in this video I will show you how to use REST clients to send data to our database using our REST clients. So without too much wasting of time, let's get started. So in here, just come down here and put 3 hash, then go down maybe 1 and put maybe post data, post block, and put it like this. Then in here and just put the route here, and let me copy this, copy, paste it here, then let me write block. So go down here and we just come here and copy this. I change this from body to content, it will be more convenient. The name will be more nicer than the body here, and go here and change it also. So if you decide to leave it like that, no problem, but get aware of that. To come here and paste it like this. So in here we need to provide the type of the data we want to send, as in this also we use JSON format, because JSON format is the most proper way of communicating in most of the non-relational database like MongoDB. So in here we just put it like content type column, then application / JSON here. So this is how you're going to use it. Let me just send the request here. We'll see our data here if everything goes well. Yeah, the data come here. So we don't want this. We want to send the data to the database, not just to display it here. We want to send the data using this schema. As you can see, we created this. MongoDB will going to create the plural of this. So in here we need to connect the database here, since we're going to use Mongoose to connect our database. So in here I will just, before that we need to install this environment variable. So just come here, I open another terminal, just write npm i.env like this, just press enter. So before it install, let me create the file here, .env file, enter. Let me write this port without space, just write it like this. Then we need to create the database, database / URI like this. We need to provide the URL here. So we need to just write it like MongoDB column / like this 127.0.0.1 column, then 27017. So this is our database URL connection, but I need to provide the database name. So let me just give it block like this. So let's leave it like this. Then in here I need to configure it. Let me go off here and do it here off. let me say require dot env here dot config like this. So in here I configure it. So let me go down here and create the database. I can say here const, or let me just use it normally. I can come here and say Mongoose dot Mongoose dot connect like this. Then in here it's taking two parameters. I can come here and say process dot env dot this name we put here, database URL, let me copy it, paste it here, then comma, then we can use this thing dot then to know when our database connected or not. Dot then can use that, like let's say data console dot log MongoDB connected. So save like this. Okay, let me close this. Then we can use dot catch to catch the error if something happens. Error. Console dot log error if something happens. Can just save the file here. Let's go back to our application. As you can see, it said MongoDB connected, so save what. So now our application is connected. So if you want to see your data, you need to have this MongoDB Compass on your machine. You can go ahead and install it. You can go direct to the your browser and type MongoDB Compass. Then you can be able to download it and install. Let me connect it to my application. You see, I click the connect. It shows my previous data. Even though I have this block, let me go ahead and delete it. I have it for my previous work. So let me delete it here. Let me go ahead and delete this one also, db, so that we can have that one fresh. So as you can see, we don't have any block here. So if we want to send the data, we need to go ahead here inside our index file here. Then we need to go down to our application here. We need to come here and say const block. Let me delete all this data. In here, const block, can say new, then use the instance of this block we imported here, this one. Come here and say block, say block. Then inside here, we're going to make the connection here to set we have title in our database schema. So title would going to come through this request.body.title here. Then we have content. Remember, I changed it from body to content. So we have request dot body dot content because of the name convention, because I don't want to put body dot body again. So that's why I use this. And we have auto here. say request dot body dot auto, like this. So in here, as you can see, we already make the constructor. So we need to save the data to the database. I can come here and say block dot save. So this will going to save the data, but we need to know when the data save or if something happened. So let's use then see example data console.log. Let's send the data out to see, or let's use this res.json to see the data, and we need to provide the catch if something happens. Error. So we need to log console.log. We need to log the data error if something happens. So let's save it. As you can see, our database connects successful and we don't have any error here. So if I come here inside this app here, inside this thing, Postman, as you can see, we are on this spot. Don't forget this to put it as post. Then if I say send now, let's see what happens. If I say send, as you can see now, we get our data back. You see our data created using MongoDB. It stored it. It has this ID, and we have all the content, everything. If you want to see your data, just go to MongoDB Compass here and click this refresh. As you can see, we get our block here. Click on it. So you see we have the collection here, block. Click on it also. You see our data come here. So we use Postman to send this data. So let's use this REST clients also to send this another data. Let's go to REST clients. REST maybe Node.js. Node.js is and it's a server. Let's see, server side language used to communicate with database. So auto, let's say back. As you can see here, I changed this data. I changed the data, so we need to see two datas. So if I press this send, we're going to see the data will send to our database. Let's click it and see. As you can see now, I created another data. So if I go to here to our this thing, MongoDB database, if I click this refresh, as you can see now we have two data here. So this is how you are going to post data into the database using MongoDB Express and Node.js. So in the next video I will show you how to display your data, and also how to get specific data like how to get one block, and I will show you how to fetch also single block, and how to delete a block. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.